The
Millions
real
of
thing is we had to have the infrastructure of the database to really make this work the way real estate agents need. If you go with some kind of third-party integrator, somebody that's just setting up AI stuff, they're going to have they're going to call it RAG, which is a retrieval augmented piece where you upload these documents. Well, the problem with that is uploading the documents today just means that they're going to be outdated tomorrow. And if your database isn't providing that information for you, you're wasting a lot of time just keeping your knowledge base of your agent up to date. And having that infrastructure of your contacts, your properties, your listings, the transactions, part of that's for you. You'll be able to interact with that agent kind of as a separate channel where you get more in depth of your own business and being able to ask the agent, what's going on in my business, where there's a consumer side that they are, or a customer side where they're asking about, what's the status of my listing, or all these different things that pertain to them specific. And in that case, we can be looking at phone numbers, find that phone number for that person. Oh, they're associated with this property. That property has this listing. It has this transaction. Oh, this transaction's closing date is this. And we can go through and we can answer the questions through the database based off of who they are, what they are doing in your business. So it's just a matter of having that information available and doing stuff. So